So if you got a credit of 179, I don't know how that will work, but I'm still going to try to explain it. I want you to get my Strongest 75 workbook because I wouldn't have had you put a deposit down of 114 because Capital One, they have one where you can put a deposit down that's way less than that. And also, if you're doing 114, you might as well just did the Navy Federal for $200 because Navy Federal have one where you can put $200 down and it can grow to $2,000 in like 3 to 6 months. So I like that one. So your limit goes from $200 to $2,000 in 3 to 6 months. And I go over a lot of this in my Strongest 75 workbook. And we're also doing a great lock-in. I'm not sure if you heard of that. We're doing a great lock-in. We're starting that October 17, 2025. And we're going to end that December 31st, 2025. Because we want to make sure going into the new year that we locked in all this last 75 days. And we're good. The goal is to have 180 points by 180 point increase by January 1st, 2026. So definitely make sure you get this workbook. But let me try to answer your question. So if you have a limit of 179, right? Say your limit is 179. I want you to try to focus on having your utilization, and I'm going to have more paper because I'm making these videos. I'm trying to teach people the utilization part. I'm going to write your 179 on here. I want you to try to see if you can get your utilization down to just make sure that's no more than 5% is reporting, because once you do that, you're going to get more credit cards. And in the workbook that I have in the TikTok shop, you can actually get a lot of knowledge on how to get more credit cards, how to get them easier, and how to get some too that don't have an annual fee or don't ask for a deposit at all. So right now you at 179, right? So I tell people, let's easily figure out what's 5, and that's what I want you to make sure is nothing more than that is reported as your balance. So I tell people to figure out what's 10% first. We want to take that last digit off. So you was at 179, so now we down to 17. So that's 10%. That's 10% your balance. That will help you too. That will help you too. But I want you to get down to the 5%. So what we have to do is cut that 17 in half. So half of 17 is going to be 18.5. I'm just going to say, let's go ahead and pay 19, that 0.5. Let's just pay that extra dollar instead of splitting it. So what I want you to do is, or it's not going to be 19. So let me do 8.5. So 850 and 850. So instead of doing, because we cut it in half, it's going to be 850 and 850, right? So instead of doing that, we want to make sure that extra 50 is really, it is the 9. The 850 is the 9, but we want to make sure that we pay the $9 so that all is going to be reported after we pay that $9 is going to be $8. Now this one is a little bit more trickier, but I just don't think that you would have a limit of like $179. Usually they end in zeros. It's so much easier. But if this is the case, this is what you're working with, you know, because it could be just 170, you know. I want to make sure that you understand that you want to make sure that no more than $8 is reported to the credit bureaus. So that's how it's going to work. You need to figure out what 5% is, and I try to do it on paper like this, but I love to teaching you all, unless when I do the great lock-in October 17th, I'm going to show you how I just use a sheet that is so much easier. It's a sheet that you're going to get. It's going to be a part of a course that you're going to get. As long as you purchase this from the TikTok shop, you're going to have a sheet so you can get access to that course. I'm going to tell you the steps on how to get access to that course because it's too much to calculate. As you can see, it's like, oh, wait, yeah, 8.5. It's just too much. Once you put your balance in, what your limit is, it automatically tell you what's 5%, what's 10%, what's 30%, what's 50%, what's, you know, it'll keep going on. It'll tell you what it is. So it's a sheet that I use to keep track of all of my credit cards. What's my due date? What's my balance? What's my utilization? And I use that to mark it off to make sure everything is balanced. I mean, everything is paid for. And it's just so much easier. And it tell me what my overall utilization is. So definitely make sure that you check out this workbook. It's always in a TikTok shop for sale, so definitely check this out. It's going to help with your overall utilization. And once you get that sheet in the mail to tell you how you get access to the course, make sure that you actually get access to the course. You can get that utilization tracker, so we're not doing this paper because it's too much. I hope this helped.